Are you completely tired of your AI acting like a highly confident but incredibly unreliable intern? If you've ever felt frustrated because your generative AI just isn't giving you the razor-sharp results you actually need, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at advanced prompt engineering controlling AI logic. So let's start with the single most frustrating experience in modern tech. You ask a detailed question, and the AI confidently gives you an answer that is just fundamentally wrong. Why does your AI keep making things up? Why does it feel like it's literally ignoring your instructions? Well, let's uncover exactly what's going on behind the scenes.
This explainer is produced by Ahmed Shah, educator, and AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups based in Karachi, Pakistan.
Okay, let's dive into this. When an AI makes things up, we call it a hallucination. This happens because these massive large language models are trained on petabytes of diverse, unfiltered data from all over the internet. And since that data isn't perfect, it introduces what we call data bias. For example, if the training data has a lot more content on one specific demographic over another, the AI naturally skews its answers in that direction. This problem is actually so huge that major tech companies employ armies of human reviewers just to manually correct biased, hallucinated responses. But, you don't have a massive team. You just have your prompt.
But the immediate fix is actually incredibly simple. You can instantly kill hallucinations by embedding this exact safety line right into your prompts. If you don't know the answer, just ask me, don't create it yourself. It forces the AI to admit its blind spots instead of confidently lying to you. Combine this with keywords like impactful, concise, and instructions to avoid jargon, and your output quality is going to absolutely skyrocket.
All right, moving on to Section 1, Chain Prompting, Mastering the Steps.
Fixing errors is great, but now it's time to upgrade how you structure your requests. Let's say you need to write a highly targeted B2B sales email. A casual user just asks the AI to write a sales email, and the result is usually generic garbage. Instead, we break this linear task into logical dependent steps. Step 1, ask the AI to analyze the prospect's website and identify 3 core business problems. Step 2, instruct the AI to turn those 3 specific problems into 3 distinct email angles. Then, Step 3, you select the best angle and tell the AI to write the final sales pitch. By feeding the AI one logical byte at a time, you're guaranteeing a highly refined, heavily researched final product.
Next up, we have Section 2, Tree of Thought. Explore multiple paths. Chain prompting is awesome for linear tasks, but what about when you're exploring completely unknown territory? Imagine a client asks you to completely automate their restaurant, and you know absolutely nothing about the restaurant industry. Using the Tree of Thought framework, you first ask the AI to generate broad branches of automation. Think kitchen, HR, marketing. Then you pick one. Let's take marketing. You ask the AI to expand that into sub-branches, and it suggests a VIP loyalty club. You choose that and ask the AI to go deeper, generating a step-by-step implementation plan. Finally, you ask it to write the actual text messages for that VIP campaign. The AI effectively reasons its way from a broad, unfamiliar concept all the way down to granular deliverables.
Let's keep the momentum going with Section 3, JSON Prompting, the Pro Structure Format. The crucial takeaway here is that structure dictates quality. When plain text fails on complex projects, JSON is your best friend. Look at the difference here. On the left, a plain text prompt for a film storyboard is just a messy wall of text. The AI struggles to figure out what applies to characters versus lighting. But on the right, we have a structured JSON prompt. It uses this clean code-like formatting with strict keys and values like title, genre, and camera shot. Every single detail is perfectly categorized in brackets. It is mathematically impossible for the AI to mix up your instructions when your data is structured this way.
Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. I don't know how to write JSON code. Well, here is the absolute ultimate shortcut. You don't have to. You can simply ask a standard LLM to read the documentation for whatever tool you're using and instruct it to generate a master JSON prompt for you. You literally just copy, paste, fill in the blanks with your project details, and hit enter. It's a total cheat code for professional-grade results.
Finally, we arrive at Section 4, Strategic Partner Beyond Basic Search.
This is all about a massive mindset shift. You need to stop treating generative AI like a basic search engine. To truly operationalize these advanced logic structures, you've got to build a few habits. First, create prompt libraries. Whenever you craft a perfect chain or JSON prompt, save it in Notion or Google Docs so you can reuse it instantly. Second, try the mimic technique.
Tell the AI to act as an interviewer or a demanding client so you can practice high-stakes conversations. And lastly, constantly explore custom GPTs. Define pre-made prompting tools already optimized for your specific software.
So, what does this all mean for you? It all comes down to how you choose to communicate. The technology is sitting right in front of you. Will you remain a casual question asker, settling for hallucinations and generic fluff? Or will you take control of the logic, implement frameworks like Tree of Thought and JSON, and become a highly strategic AI operator? The choice is yours, but I highly recommend you start implementing these frameworks today to completely transform the way you work.